AMAC on the mix. Ugh.
Yo, what up, guys? It's your girl AMAC back with another quick tip. And today I want to talk about a hot button topic: how to name your files before sending them out to mix. Now, listen, if you give me just about anything besides audio 1, audio 2, audio 3, audio 4, I'm pumped about it. Very, very helpful. Being kick, snare, hi hat, I can see that very clear. Love it. But something that I think is even better and is my personal preference is using numbers before the name. So when you bring in files to Pro Tools, they come in and they go in alphabetical order. So when you name things like kick, snare, hats, they're going to be jumbled up. All the drums aren't going to be together. All the synths aren't going to be together. And that's cool. I can find those and I can organize them how I want. But if you had named them 0-1 kick, 0-2 snare, 0-3 hi-hat, and so on and so forth, when it comes in, all of the parts are going to just drop down kind of, how they're supposed to be organized. Or, even if you start with synths and guitars and drums are underneath, it doesn't really matter. It's just like all of these parts of the song are already kind of organized in that way. So let me bring up some examples for you. So let's start so this one right here. This is a beat. And again, it's great. It's just named kick, hi-hat, bass, 808. And you can see I have it chosen to be in alphabetical order here, that they're all jumbled up. But when I go over to these tracks, we've got 0-1 kick, 0-2 kick 2. And it just goes down the list. All the drums are there together. We go into some guitars, strings. But then it gets really important. I mean, it's really important in this example. And hold on, let me get it over here so you can see a little better. Is that these are like 100 tracks for this song. And there are a ton of vocals in here. A lot of stuff is doubles as well. So here we are, like 44 chorus, background high 1, 45 chorus, background high 2, and 3 and 4 and like 5 here, right? Now, that's really great for me to be able to see. When I'm looking at this, I can just see it, and it's so helpful to just not have to go through everything. And then it's also really helpful for communication between me and the producer or whoever is sending the stems, because then I could say, hey, I just imported all of this stuff. There's no audio on 45, 46, and 47. Instead of me having to write channel background high 2, or sorry, chorus background high 2, chorus background high 3. You know what I mean? I could just say 45, 46, 47. And I just think that helps communication so much. And it saves us all a lot of time. Now, another way I just want to show is like right here, this person sent these tracks, and it's like the name of the song, drum stems, 2 snare, name of the song, drum stem, 4 kick. Even though like I'd probably have like the kick first and then the snare. Again, the drums are going to be together, and this still works because all of this naming right here is exactly the same. And the first thing that changes is the number. So it all drops down in a completely organized way. I get wanting to have things organized like this. So totally cool. And again, I say, if you name your tracks at all to tell me what they are, thank you so much. You are appreciated. But I really think that you guys should check out using numbers so it's all in numerical order. I love it. It works the best for me. And that's all I got for y'all guys today. Peace.